What's cracking, right? It's your boy Tanqueray Low. Nigga going through a thing right now, right? You know? So I'm gonna just play some old shit for y'all, right? I'm gonna spit this shit though. It's back from like 2006, like right after my brother died. You know, it's called I'm Free. But it was just a glimpse into my mind and shit back then. I had some clarity and shit about my life and the shit I was doing and shit. You know? Just check me out. It's different though. It's a little more positive and shit than what y'all used to. Check me out though, right? I said, release my soul, take me to the other side, so I can ask God, why did my brother die? Why did my cousin's mother die? She was so young. Black men, why do our brothers die so young? It's nonsense. Why I gotta carry a pistol? It's still funky to your rivals, know your death is official. I can't explain why I live the same life, giving blood to the river. I try to break the chain, I try to stop from calling us niggas, but it seems every time I try to change, it's a lost soul trying to drag me back to the same way of life, way of living outside, but in prison, cause I'm trapped in my old ways. I wish I could bring back my three laces, William, Laurie, Santul, and travel back to my old days. As long as I can still have my same seeds. Real talk, these kids need game, not TV polluting their brain. Rearrange the way of thinking, give them books instead of PS3s, then sit back and watch how they tame. You know, Lord, I ain't never prayed for me. Keep my family and friends safe and help my brother see that every choice made can lead you to a path where yours and others' families are victims. Even if your only retribution's to clip them, just be free.
Free to do what I want.
You know, a motherfucker gotta be free, man. You know, you gotta do your own thing, man, to break the chains of society and your peers and what everybody expects you to do and shit. You gotta make sure that your kids and shit are free from the bonds that hold them and shit, you know. Check me out, now tell me this, ain't it strange when you see a group of brothers and nervousness grips your brain? You're ready to bang, then you see a group of white dudes walking and you feel like it ain't no thing. Is it me or is it truth? The rich racists with their plans to erase us, use shiny things to make us bang. I'm ashamed, I've been part of the proof that they could drag us from our roots, call us savages and have us trained. I'm hypocritical though, cause in the end this is still just a flow, and everywhere I go I got my thing. I'm a father at home, a criminal when I leave, I still bleed. This is life and it's hard to change. People say I got a lot of negativity. They point but nan looks at oneself. I say I just got used to pain. I lost faith when my father kept us hurting, not safe. It made me and my siblings go against the grain. Life is pain, like Charlie told her daughter on ice. Pain is life and living is like a long kiss at night. Live a lie, repeating mistakes and you got hindsight. You can die or you can try to find the strength to fight. This is why I promise myself my kids are never gonna be niggas. My sons are never gonna be killers, they'll be free. And I mean that, you know, I don't teach no nigga shit to my sons, man. That whole nigga mentality, gang banging and shit, you know, selling dope, you know, just being out there on bullshit in the streets, man. I don't do none of that around my kids, you know what I'm saying? They'll never know that life. I provide way better shit for them, you know what I mean? At the same time, though, you know what I'm saying, I give them game and shit so that they're, you know what I'm saying, game related and they understand what the fuck's out there and shit. But at the same time, I keep them away from that bullshit so that they don't have to be a part of that or even see it. You know, like I said, you know, I stopped saying niggas in my verses just so my sons could listen to my shit, man. You know, fuck that. 100, Tanqueray Low. Heated music, made sick Midwest.